start 2, 3, 4, and 1, and then you grow, she is melting. And then here, point next one. When you dip your hand, not only hand, do it with the hip. Whoop, and more like a start the hand with the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And here we hit 1, and then we grow through 2, 3, 4, and 1. Here for these points, wiggle her hips, and difference between quicks and slow. Make sure she's doing quick, quick, quick. Quickie, 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 slow. Then from here, you have this one. So here, do not hit count 3, actually melt it. You can even bend your leg, use your high hip. 3, stretch it, and send this quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. This one you can hit, but then continue. Stretch, 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 stretch. Now for her here, it's very important, quicks. So Liz, turn right away, and you have a cross behind for you. Quick, quick, slow. Then what we have?
Then open.
And then here, for this one, 2, 3, do not turn your shoulders back. Keep your shoulders with the mirror and your face. So you go 2, 3, 4, and 1. For here was for you point. Push from your foot, get your shoulders over your foot. Now here going 1, 2, 3, 4. This count 1, we have to accentuate. Now for here, short connection for this, using in and outs. So you're on very strong hook, shorter connection then. 3, cha-cha. Then here we have a close hook.
We change hands, just so you know.
No, but we're already doing my way.
Oh, you did it?
Yeah, and I like it.
Okay.
That's what I want to mention. Yeah, so do it better this way and swing her leg like there is no tomorrow. And then from here, she's you. Sorry. It's that part, yeah. Yeah, okay. So here, boom. Yeah. So here, short connection, and she's using me. And here, when she's down on the leg, pull away from the leg. Here, boom. And actually, when she stands up, you also have to do something for her to stand up. Now, for here, for Lee's point was not to stick. You see, like you're doing stick your face. Yeah, just stand up straight. Just we're gonna go boom away from each other. And this is now you're doing rounding. Yeah. So this is the point where short connection, 3, 4, and 1. Close hold. Boom. Swing her. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Keeping shoulders with each other. 3. Now here, what was the point? Stay forward. Yeah. So here, getting her into the spiral, in, out, feel. So you go cha, 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 out, in, cha, 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 cha. Here was point for Liz to keep her shoulders with you. Shoulders with me, shoulders with me. Here was point, quick, quick, acceleration, and keeping shoulders with Liz. So I'm actually doing even this quick, quick, slow. You see I'm doing this slow, slow. Look at me here.